Hey, yo, band play.
Hey, I just went by the watch with a whole lot of diamonds to show all these niggas it's my time. Took a trip out to Cali to hang with the clips, make a play and get high off that Zaza. I say,
yo, what is good, you guys? It's your boy BT the Dream back at it again. Another video finally. It's been too fucking long now. We're gonna get this shit started, so let's get into it. Today we have a special guest here today, a longtime friend, good person, honestly, good person at heart. We got KJ Mclaurin in here in this video. What's up, my brother?
What's up, homeboy? Finally back. You know, I met this dude like 3 years ago.
3 years ago, 2021. And that's where we have to start off from there, man. You came a long way from the first time I interviewed you in 2021. You remember that shit, right?
Yeah, I remember that shit, bro. That shit was crazy. You was the first person that did my first podcast interview. And I just started to rise.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like right after that interview, bro, everything just started going all the way up. Videos, content, the trading, everything went up. So proud for you to that, my brother. You came a long way from 2021. You know, you were still up on the uprise. I remember I had asked you what was the most money that you made in a day, and you had told me $20,000. And now you are well over 6 figures, bro. So the first thing I gotta ask, bro, how does it feel in less than 3 years tripling your profits, bro?
Shit, like I told you before, it feels the same.
Feels the same.
Because I knew.
Don't lie to me, bro.
I swear on everything I love. You can ask my mama.
Just another day in trading, bro.
It's just another day in trading. Once you detach your feelings away from the money and you just trade on a regular, it's just a bigger number. It's the same trading style. It's just you just risking more. It's just a bigger number. That's all it is.
So you see a bigger number, you're like, all right, whatever.
Yeah.
Opposed to a person like me, when I heard 20K in one day, I lost my mind. I was like, dude, are you serious, bro? 20K? That's just crazy, man. So
that's because you. I don't know how to explain this without being an asshole. It's like with
be an asshole.
Regular human beings are attached to money because they work hard for it. You know what I'm saying? But when you trade for a living, it's a systematic approach that you got to take when you take a trade. You know what I'm saying?
And you've been years in this.
10 years in
10
it.
years.
Not 3, 10.
Yeah.
So over time, your feelings just go out the window. You be losing money on a regular, making money on a regular. So it's just like.
Because when you trade so much with high amounts of money, it just at the end of the day, it's just another number to you, you know.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's good to hear, man. And now, not only that, bro, you have been featured on Forbes magazine and CEO magazine, along with the Hollywood magazine, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Now that you have been given more of the spotlight, and now that you're do you feel like you have a bigger responsibility now in watching how you move and how you act now that you have people who look up to you and look up to your story, now that you have been featured on these Forbes magazine, CEO magazine, and obviously the Hollywood magazine?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Every move got to be calculated and it got to be worth something. So
that's got to be asked.
Huh?
That's got to be asked, don't it?
Yeah, but it's better for my family and my circle. Just me moving smarter as a person just helps me overall anyway. So
yeah, that is true, bro.
Yeah.
When I first saw that magazine, bro, like that was just like kind of like a testament to show like how much you came. I mean, bro, I know the rags to riches story. I know how you got here. I know your background. So just seeing you, get these accomplishments, it's like, even though I'm not getting these accomplishments, it's like, I know how like transparent you are and how good of a person you are. So I'd be like, yo, props to the homie, bro. He's really putting in that work.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, man. So let's talk about, you said you didn't even want to drink, bro.
I want to drink, no doubt.
Now you want to drink today. It tastes all right, bro. Guys, I'm not shotgunning today. I know the last time I was with McLaurin, I think getting drunk is a understatement. I think we got blasted in your house in the interview.
Definitely did.
So I'm definitely trying to chill out a little bit more. So we're just going to unsip on this bitch today.
You heard what he said.
All right, man. Let's get into the trading and Forex specifically, because you specify a lot that you trade in Forex specifically. I don't know if you know, but you were actually the first person to convince me that you could actually, achieve profits in Forex, because for the longest time in that era of Forex, right, it had this stigma where a lot of people were paying for seminars, paying to go to these Airbnbs to, learn how to trade and be under, a person to know how to trade and stuff. And I was like, yo, this is all bullshit. You can't really trade in Forex, bro. All these guys are telling me like, yo, come up, you're broke as hell if you don't, trade in Forex, but then I'm paying for all these seminars and stuff and I don't even know how to trade. I'm just getting told, yeah, man, if you do this, like, you're not gonna work that 9 to 5 anymore. You know what I'm saying? Like they basically trying to shit on me saying that I work a 9 to 5, but they're not teaching me how to trade.
That's what was a scam. That's a pyramid scheme.
That was a pyramid scheme. So
that's called iMarkets Live.
iMarkets Live, yeah. So what I wanted to ask you, like, how did you feel seeing all these people, you know, basically paying for, you know, this bullshit and not really acquiring the skill set and acquiring the skills to be able to actually trade?
It kind of hurt me, but at that time I couldn't really do much because I didn't have a voice at the time. I knew what was going on, but I couldn't be heard because I was a nobody. I was an upcoming trader.
Right.
So really, it hurt my heart to know that people was getting scammed for their money and not getting the knowledge, not acquiring the skill to trade. So it was just like, it fucked me up. It fucked me up a lot.
It got bad to the point where I remember I had to talk in a seminar in UCF. There was probably like 10 people max in that bit. And bro, they telling me to say all this, and I have not done one single trade.
Have you made any money?
No. I paid them.
What the fuck?
I paid them to get in the circle, bro. So that's why I was asking. That's why when I had met you and you had told me, look, if you achieve a skill set, you know, you could do this on your own. You don't need to pay anyone to teach you this shit. You just got to acquire the skill set on your own.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the best part about it. So moving on from that, I wanted to ask specifically, you trade in GPP, right?
GBP, JPY.
JPY, right?
Tatted everywhere on my skin, bro.
Even on your leg too, right? Or is that the other homie?
It's on my stomach.
It's on your stomach? Oh, that's staying forever.
See that? Stamp. Stamp right there. Right there. Somewhere else, I got chart killers right here. See that?
What about your chain, bro?
Oh, damn. I forgot the chain.
Bro, that shit is good, man. It says GPP Slayer,
JPY.
Right?
Yeah.
JPY Slayer.
Let me get my damn phone.
That shit looks nice, bro. You don't mind me asking how much you spent on it?
I spent $80,000 on this shit.
80 fucking thousand.
80,000. You see how I say GBP, JPY right there?
That's fire.
That shit. GBP, JPY right there. Then they got my logo, GBP, JPY Slayers type shit. Yeah.
So let's talk about strategy and market approach, okay? Because I really want to try to understand what you specifically trade in. You know, I really want to learn because obviously you're the only person that I think is transparent with the shit.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. So I definitely want to ask these questions to really get into, you know, what exactly is the reason why you specifically trade in GBP, JPY, right? So I wanted to ask you, is this what traders are currently wanting to trade now? Is this like the most volatile, you know, currency where you could trade and, you know, pretty much get, you know, good profits and stuff like that?
So before I go into trading, what are people trading for? Is it just money or, you know what I'm saying? Like, most people only trade for money, which is cool. But I trade deeper than that. I trade for family and freedom. I trade to take care of my family, and we don't have to ask for nothing for nobody. We don't have to work for anybody. They come to me, you know what I'm saying? Or they want to learn how to trade, I can teach them. And I trade for freedom. I'm not going to trade my life, my time for money. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm always trading for, is family and freedom. Family and freedom, not time and money. Time and money, no. It's never about the money. Everybody think it's about, this is just extra. This is just trophies, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I'm taking care of my family. That's my main goal. My mama got 8 kids. You know what I'm saying? They all got to get taken care of. So that's what I'm doing this for, family and freedom. Family and freedom? Yeah. Okay, yeah, because I've talked to other traders as well, and I feel like GBP, JPY is getting a lot more popular. Just say GJ. DJ? GJ. GJ? Yeah, so you don't have to. Because, bro, I'm trying to fucking say this shit, bro. Just and say I can't. GJ. All right, bet. So, because people are telling me that there's, you know, a huge price movements and wide ranges to ensure multiple trading opportunities. Is that correct? Yeah, so with GJ, it's not the most volatile pair, but it is one of the volatilest pair ever. So, like, you can catch big, crazy moves within minutes to seconds if you wait for a setup to show itself. But, yeah, so GJ is becoming popular because I'm making it popular. And a couple more people making it popular. Yeah. So, yeah, that's why people you seeing now trying to trade it, which is cool. You just got to not get fucked by it. You got to be the one fucking it. Right. So, going on back to the theme of this, you know, strategy and market approach, you know, what, if you don't mind me asking, what trading strategies do you primarily use when trading? We're calling it GJ, right? GJ. Scalping, swing trading, trend following. Swing trading. Swing trading. I'm not into scalping because I'm trying to catch the whole move. I don't want to catch 10, 15 pips when that bitch gonna shoot up 300 pips.
Why is that?
Pips. So pips is points.
Right.
So it basically measures how much money you're gonna make in the market. So it can shoot up. So say if it shoot up 10 pips and I'm risking $500 per pip, I just made $5,000 off 10 pips. Why would I want to settle for that when I know it's gonna shoot up 300 pips? If you do the math on that, that's like what, 50,000?
Yeah.
Probably more than that. Like, hey,
No,
probably
like
120. Yeah, 120, 30. I don't know. But yeah, so I swing trade instead of scalp. Because I'm trying to catch that 100 ball instead of that 5,000.
Okay. Yeah. And now when you trade with GJ, right, do you do it more based on technical analysis, fundamentals, or like a combination of both?
He coming with them good ass.
I told you, bro.
This nigga been studying. So I'm a technical type of trader. I've never been into fundamentals. I check the news fundamentally, but I don't trade fundamentals. I'm just technical.
Technical?
Mm-hmm. Okay. I know how to read the chart. I know price action. That's really all you need to learn is price action. Once you know how to do that, once you know how to read a fucking chart, you unstoppable, bro. That's literally
the basic starts by just
the basic knowing how to read the chart. Learning your bitch.
Yeah. Pretty much like trying to like really get to understand a woman. You know
exactly.
So now how do you handle like the volatility, I think that's how you say it, volatility of what you see in GP or JG?
By taking your emotions out. So when you see that bitch shooting down to your stop loss, literally all you gotta do is turn your phone off. Not turn it off. Don't actually turn it off, but don't look at the trade. Place alerts. That's one thing people don't do. If you go to TradingView, you got alerts. You can place alerts so your mentality won't fuck up. Don't look at the trade. Let it hit the stop loss or let it hit your TP. You know what I'm saying? So if you take your eyes off the market, you don't have to worry about the volatility. You just place your stop loss and place a TP.
Yeah, because like you mentioned earlier, this pair is the most volatile pair.
One of them.
I
think US 30 is the most volatile pair.
Okay. So this might be the second
highest. It's the second highest. Okay. Second or third highest, yeah. And then you got gold. So it's probably, GJ is probably third. So it's US 30, gold, then GJ.
Then GJ? Okay, bet. And now, what indicators or tools do you find most effective when predicting movements in GJ?
I would say bank levels. So bank level indicator. I'm not gonna get too much into details. Y'all gotta, buy the course. But bank levels is definitely a good indicator you can use to, turn up.
Okay.
Some shit.
Bet. So we talked about strategies and market approach, right? But, as much as, everybody likes to see you, flexing, the money and having the nice chain and shit, we cannot forget the risk management, We cannot forget the risk management because with every win, there is a loss, okay? And that's where I hate the most when it comes to traders today. Mm-hmm. They are not truthful with their risk management and their risk to loss ratio. Mm-hmm. So I got people, they are winning, but they're not telling how much they're losing.
Who told you these questions?
No, bro, a lot of people. I was researching. I was talking to people and stuff. Trying to really figure out exactly what you specifically trade in.
Okay.
And also, I want to do it myself, bro.
I like that.
Said, I'm tired of being a slave to the system, bro. I'm tired of the 9 to 5, bro. I'm trying to do something. You feel me?
I like that.
So we have to talk about risk management because the problem with nowadays, especially with younger generation, right? They get easily influenced by your post with the money and everything, but they don't understand the risk to reward ratio. So let me ask you this. What is your average risk to reward ratio when trading GJ? So
it's my average risk to reward is 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. So I'm risking, say if I got $100,000 account, I'm risking 5% of that account to make 200% gain.
Okay.
I'm risking 10% to make a big ass gain. I'm risking 2% to make a big ass gain. So if I got a $100K account and I risk 10% of that, I'm risking 10,000. My reward is 100,000.
Okay.
I'm risking 5,000 to make 50,000. You know what I'm saying? I'm risking 5,000 account to make 80,000. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a swing trader.
Yeah.
So
right.
I risk little and I just hold the trade until I hit my TP.
Right, because I think I remember you talked about that earlier. It's like really like trying to manage the risk management part, like you said.
That's the biggest part of it.
That's the biggest part of it.
That's the biggest part is managing risk and getting comfortable with risk, period.
Right. So you would say that a person should stay within a funding account within 5 to 10% max, no more than 10%.
No, fuck no. That's for professional traders.
Oh, so we're lower than that.
Lower. I will say, listen. I would say risk 1 to 2%. Don't try to hop in this shit like me and risk 5 to 10% of your account. I do that because I'm comfortable with the risk.
Yeah.
Coming in, no, risk 1% to 2% of your account.
With that, right, what do you think are the 3 consistent mistakes that beginner traders or traders that have been in the game for a while, would you say, like, what are the 3 main consistent mistakes that they do? Would you say, like, putting 2 or more positions in, or, you know, not having it at a high equity level? What do you think are, like, the 3 main mistakes?
3 main mistakes is thinking you know what you're doing. First off, thinking overconfident for no reason. Over leveraging. So the first one is what I told you, and then the second one would be over leveraging their account, risking 10% of their account, 20% of their account, not knowing risk management.
Like you had mentioned earlier.
Exactly, yeah. And then the third would be having your emotions attached to the money that you're putting in that account. Those 3 is a no-go for traders. No professional trader that I know of even, that shit, all 3 of them shits crossed off the mark. It could take up to 2 to 10 years to get over those 3, but those are the main 3 that you got to worry about when you're trading.
Okay. Now, going back on the topic of the risk management, do you set fixed stop loss and take profit levels for each trade, or do you adjust them dynamically?
So if you are in my signals chat, you know I don't use a fixed CP.
Okay.
So I do use a fixed stop loss, which I have 10 to 30 pip stop losses on every trade. But TP with GJ, if you know GJ, that shit shoots up past TPs all the time and keeps shooting. So I want to catch that whole big move, so I don't use TPs. I just close it out when I'm satisfied with the profit.
Satisfied with profit.
Yeah, so if I see 5,000, I'm going to be like, nah, I want that shit to keep going up. When I see 50,000, that's when I'm going to close it.
Okay, I see. And now you're talking about satisfied with profit. Now, with satisfaction comes, you know, losses. So how do you emotionally manage losses, especially when trading, you know, with such a volatile pair?
Charge to the game.
Charge it to the game.
It's the cost of doing business. So every trade you place and you put a stop loss on, it's the cost of making money. So, yeah.
It's always going to be like that, you know?
Exactly.
Every time with any business, it's going to be losses. But
you got to accept the risk. So once you click buy or sell, accept the risk that you're taking and be comfortable with it and charge it to the fucking game. Don't do nothing more than that. If you're making it harder than that, then you don't need to be trading with the money that you're risking. So
scared money don't make no money.
Exactly. Scared money not going to make no money at all. So, yeah.
But what would you think would be like the maximum drawdown that you would be comfortable with in trading, JG?
GJ,
yeah. I fucked that up. You see, I keep fucking that shit up, bro. My bad.
So this is all based on the account size. So the maximum drawdown I want to see on the account is probably like 30 pips. So if I'm risking 50 standards, I'll be comfortable risking 15,000.
15,000 max.
Yeah, 15,000, but the account got to be at least 100.
At least 100K.
150.
So once we get to past 100K, then that's when we can get into the margin of 5 to 10%.
Yeah. Not really. I risk that shit on fucking $25,000 accounts, $10,000 accounts, because one trade I'm rich.
Right.
Or I made somebody a yearly salary. So if I start a $10,000 account and I risk $2,000 off that shit, I can make $20,000. People don't understand that.
Yeah.
You risk $2,000 to make $20,000. You keep doing it over and over until it works.
Bet, my brother. So we talked about risk management. I want to move in next to technical analysis and patterns. You know, so the first thing I wanted to ask, and specifically in that topic, are there any specific chart patterns or like candlestick formations that you rely on when trading with GJ?
So yeah, I rely on doji candles, pin bars, rejections, double tops, double bottoms, triple bottoms. What else? It's a lot. Morning stars, wedges, all type of shit. Support, resistance. It's a lot that you can.
There's
a lot. I can't mention all of them because it's a lot. You just got to know price action.
Yeah, you mentioned a lot.
Yeah.
And now, do you trade like differently based on daily trends versus like intraday movements, or?
I trade the same.
Same all around.
Since we first started, bro, I've been trading the same way. People don't even understand that shit. I've been trading the same way. I just up my risk. That's all I have done.
So in a sense, you haven't really done, like, you haven't did a big change besides the amount that you're risking.
Exactly. I haven't got confident, more confident. So the most confident trader makes the most money.
That makes sense, yeah. Because if you're scared of and you're not controlling risk management, that's when shit starts going out of hand.
Exactly.
Which time frames do you prefer when analyzing?
Okay, so I use the 1 hour, 4 hour, 12 hour, 8 hour, daily, weekly, and 30 minute. I try not to stay on lower time frames too much, but hours is definitely a go. 2 hour, 2 and 3 hour. So you got to add all those shits and use it, because what's on one time frame might not be on the other time frame. Sometimes the banks or whoever control the market try to hide certain things. So in order for you to see that shit, you got to go to a lower time frame or a higher time frame to see what they about to do.
Right.
And then you tag along and ride it with them.
And you wake up at 4 a.m. every day.
I wake up at 4 a.m. every day, but every day isn't a setup. So I wake up at 4 a.m. If I don't see no setup, I'm going back to sleep. If I do see a setup, I'm going to lock in and get on my computer, and I'm going to get up and trade.
Do you think waking up early is probably like also another mistake that like a lot of these traders do? Is like, because you would think like if you're going to trade, like the first thing that is automatically like non-negotiable is obviously waking up at 4 a.m. or 6 a.m. Right?
Exactly. Yeah, for sure. That's one big mistake that I made when I first started. I was trading at 5 p.m. like a fucking retard. And I done blew so many accounts trading at that.
At 5 p.m.?
Yeah, that's when the market switches out and the spreads go crazy. But yeah, so that's one big thing that traders don't do that I do, is wake up at 4 a.m.
And I've seen your Instagram stories. I mean, you're out until goddamn the dawn, bro. You're out till 3 a.m., 2 a.m., going on all day. And then I see you at 4 a.m. every time.
Yeah,
on there.
I'm gonna come and perform every time, every chance I get. Because at the end of the day, that money got to come first.
Right.
Partying is just extra. Business
that comes after.
First. Yeah, comes after. Exactly.
Oh yeah. Do you find correlations with other currency pairs or asset classes useful when trading?
No. It's a lot of pairs that correlate to GJ, like USD, JPY.
Okay.
It correlates to GJ, but I don't trade those other pairs, so it don't really matter what they do.
So you don't really have to trade the other pairs. You can just stick to one pair. Basically.
No, I just trade GJ. Everything you see me I done got off of GJ. So chain, fucking watch, the cars, the cribs.
So it's like a lifestyle now. Like this is forever.
Yeah, it's forever.
It's forever. That's what I like to hear, man.
Now it's not about me no more, though. I don't reach the stage in my life to where I'm comfortable. I'm not comfortable. I'm content with where I'm at in life. I want more, but when you trade in GJ, it's an option. You know what I'm saying? I don't need to trade it. I just like it. I like the bitch. She bad as fuck. She fucked me right. It's an option.
She got good pussy, everything.
Exactly. And she paying me afterwards.
And she paying you afterwards.
Exactly.
And then you're putting that in the funding account.
I'm putting fuck the funding account. I'm spending that shit.
Hey, we spending that shit tonight, bro.
We spend that shit tonight.
Tonight,
yeah.
You know?
Straight up.
I like having these conversations with you, man, because I really learn a lot. And this is like really the first time that I actually learned shit, you know, coming from a close-minded and now, you know, trying to really learn how to trade. I like having these conversations with people that are transparent with me, you know, and able to tell me the truth and not just like try to bullshit me to like try to fake it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I really appreciate it.
I don't even think I can fake it at this point because there's too many eyes watching, too many people asking questions, there's too many companies watching. It's just like, at this point, it's a lifestyle, bro.
Yeah, it is a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Now, moving on to the last part I want to talk about, you know, we talked about a lot of good things, but I think the last thing that we could like sum this up really is pretty much, you know, market experience and adaptation, right? Mm-hmm. So this is pretty much coming into the end. Like, what are some key lessons that you learned from trading in GJ?
Life lessons is, honestly, life lessons I could say is don't give up. That's one big thing that I peep, like, don't give up on the shit. You see the light at the end of the tunnel, but you really don't know when you're going to reach that shit, bro.
That shit could take centuries.
Take 10 years.
10 years because I thought you started in 2021, but clearly it's been since 2016.
Yeah.
2015, 10 years. So people see all these cars, chains, all these nice things, but they forget the key, most important part.
They think it's right there for them too.
Exactly.
They think it's quick. And trading isn't quick. That's another thing. People get in this shit and think you can learn quick. No, you got to put in the work. If you get a mentor, it took me 10 years because I did it by myself. If you get a mentor, you can cut that learning curve down to 2 years, 3 years. That's what I'm trying to teach now. That's another thing that GJ taught me. Like, if you get a mentor, it only took me 10 years because I learned this shit on my own.
Right.
But now I'm trying to create a whole circle of GJ Slayers. You know, I got 4 or 5 right now that's doing their thing, but yeah.
We're definitely going to get in that conversation very soon once we end with this. The next thing I wanted to ask is, have you noticed like any like seasonal patterns or recurring trends in GJ at all over the years?
Yeah. So this thing that people need to know with GJ. So around fourth quarter, the end of the year, do not trade GJ. So it's that bound to shoot down. Unless you're a seller, you can make money either way, but I really like buying. Usually my strategy doesn't work around December or November. So I feel like people should find other business adventures instead of just trading. So make your money all year round, save it up to build other businesses.
To touch on that, I think I heard in a podcast that you were in specifically that I just lost my train of thought. What did you just say? I'm sorry, my bad. It's just fucking twisted, bro. This shit's been hitting me a little bit.
That shit hit me too. You don't really want to trade at the end of the year.
That's when your strategies don't work.
I feel like December is the worst year to trade. November, December is worst months to trade. I say, I'm stupid. Because it fucks up price action. You'll think you see it moving in, it'll hit your stop loss and then shoot. So, yeah.
And then that's when you said people should, around that time of year, now I remember now, around that time of year, you said people should, participate in other businesses, around that time, right? And I think I remember from the podcast that you said that you had taken a bank loan now about like around 25 to 27K, correct?
Yeah. That
you put straight into a funding account with a business that you took on LLC for.
Yeah.
And would you recommend that to someone around that year? And that's just pretty much that's just saying I bet it on myself.
Yeah, I bet on myself because I'm one of a kind. I'm different. Not saying everybody else can do the same, but I'm not going to get on here and recommend you to do that because I don't want to be a part of your failure. But if you believe in yourself enough and you know the skill set, you learn the skill set, and you're willing to risk and put that shit on your credit, then do it. But other than that, I don't recommend that shit. It was stupid. I done got a lot of backlash from it. But I did it for myself and my family. Money isn't shit to me. I come from the streets. So me risking somebody money or my money, that's not going to hurt me. I come from risking my life. So y'all got to understand that shit. Like, I come from nothing. So risking that money ain't really hurting me at all.
Yeah. And let's just be 100% honest because, I'm just going to be transparent. There aren't no hood niggas like you trading. And that's just the plain and simple fact.
Exactly.
When you see people coming from your background, you had mentioned this, there's 3 things that they think that they have to stay in order to get out from where they're from, right? Mm-hmm. Sports, rapping, doing gang shit. Trapping, right? Mm-hmm. But then when you have a person like yourself who comes from there and you can be like, yo, this shit that they're feeding you is bullshit. You don't have to do this, just 3 things, bro. Mm-hmm. If you put the skill set, if you could open your mind and see what other avenues of money that you can make. Mm-hmm. You don't have to just do.
You can make 10 times more or even on the same level as rappers, athletes, and trappers. Literally doing the same shit I'm doing every day.
Yeah, and that's why I think your story is mainly different from others because, let's be honest, your other traders have funding from other people. Mm-hmm. They haven't really gotten out the mud and don't have the background that you have. So when they see people like you, like, oh, look at this hood trader, spending, flexing all this money on the Instagram and stuff, they don't know how much time and effort that you have actually put in to trading.
You can't really tell. It look like I scammed.
Yeah, exactly. Right.
I got 10 years work for this.
And that's ass. That just proves how ass the world is. They're not accepting of you, making a statement in trading. With the background that you have. You know what I'm saying? And it's just the truth, bro. I have to be truthful about this.
That's a fact.
Because like I said, bro, no hood niggas are trading. That's just the main point. You're like probably the only one that I know. And especially with your background, that's just how transparent I am.
He say the N-word a lot, don't he?
All the time.
Get on your ass. Get on your ass right there, boy.
I don't give a fuck at that point.
He don't give a
Last thing I wanted to ask you, brother. do you have any advice for new traders focusing on JG?
GJ.
Fucking GJ.
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 Take your time and don't try to be on pace with people you see on the internet, like including me. Take your time, get a mentor, and just learn the skill. Take your time and just build a skill set and build your account. You ain't gotta try to reach my level or reach other traders' level within a month or two, risking $500, risking your rent. Literally, all you gotta do is learn the skill set, save up some money, and build your account and live life. Don't live for the internet. Don't live for me. Don't live for him. Don't live for nobody but yourself. Take care of your family and keep running up this money. Yeah, live life. Do your thing.
I like it.
Yeah.
True words being spoken.
Yeah.
Now, honestly, bro, let's get into the real shit, bro. Now that you've been getting it on your own, you've been putting people on, which is dope. We talked about chart killers a little bit before we came in here, and then you said that you had a couple GJ slayers that are part of your team now, correct?
Yeah.
We got one of them over here. What's your name, bro? Don. The time's
my
come,
boy Don. So it's
Don
really
in the cut.
It's really 5 of them. They all getting GJ Slayer chains made right now as we speak. It's 5 of them, but only one came today. So I don't want to take the shine away from them. They just not here right now. But one is here. And his name is Don Perrien.
Say what's going on, y'all.
Don Perrier.
Ask him a couple questions. See, ask him to show proof of whatever he got. He can show you anything, live accounts, whatever.
Yeah. Awesome.
You need to see.
So can you talk to me about chart kills? What exactly is chart kills and what are you guys trying to do?
Now, Chart Killers is a separate entity, somewhat separate from GJ Slayers, and that's basically a program which allows us to pass people's funded accounts to get them funded instantly.
Right. Now, that's the main issue, right? Is that putting all these transactions that you're waiting to get out, and they take 20 to 30 days for you to have the transaction.
Nobody's trying to wait that long to get some money.
No one wants to wait for money
at all. So the best thing is to be able to get your account live. Sooner you get your account live and start trading on it, the faster you get paid out. And sometimes, in some cases, you'll try to pass a challenge yourself, may even pass it, and then you get to the live stage, and then you blow it. And you wasted all that time trading for no reason. You know what I'm saying? Well, you can just start your account off live, off rip, and then get that payout.
And get that payout right away.
Yeah.
Awesome. Now, can you tell me a little bit about your background? How, what were you doing before you led up to obviously meeting KJ and obviously getting into trading?
I met him 10 years ago. People don't even know that.
Yeah, we knew each other for about 10 years.
So when I came and interviewed you, you guys already been home.
We was already locked in.
Yeah.
Bet.
I've been trading for only about 2 to 3 years. Met him, like he said, in the streets.
Just doing fun shit.
Just doing shit.
Atlanta, Fulton County.
Still getting money, but eventually I seen that he was trading, and then I got curious. Like, what are you doing? Like, I see that it's legal. I see you doing something that's actually working. That's it looks like it's a career.
Yeah,
so,
you said keyword legal.
Exactly, it was legal, and it looked like he was doing something. It had some sort of importance to it, some sort of value to it. So I took note of that, and I tried to see for myself. I paid him, even though he was my friend. I still paid him and had him teach me. And ever since then, I've been stuck on GJ. Now, I will say he was my mentor, and he somewhat still is, but I did take it into my own hands to separate myself from maybe the signals chat. And I wanted to learn on my own. I wanted to make it a goal for myself to be able to stay, to be able to be independent and to not need anybody else to be able to make money. That was my main goal from the jump. So, it did take some time, and I did make it a little harder on myself because I could have just followed his road, but it paid off in the end. Now I'm profitable, and I've, paid off all my debts that I've accumulated by trading. You know what I'm saying? I lost a lot of money, but now we're at a point to where, I've reached that where I'm in profit. In my overall, you know what I'm saying?
In your overall portfolio
from trading. So now everything's starting to, come to light. And,
Yeah, that's dope as fuck, man. I mean, that's pretty dope that you wanted, you not only paid your friend, to teach you these things, because a lot of times, good friends would be like, oh, I mean, bro, I'm your boy, do this shit for free. But a lot of people don't understand that, when your boy takes 10 years to fucking get this shit on guard, and then you're over here talking about yo, put me on, but for free, then it's kind of no, bro, you can learn the skill set too, and I'll teach you. You just got to be willing to learn.
Yeah, it was more out of respect for what knowledge he had. Also, you know, I wanted to take it seriously. I wanted to show him that I'm serious. You know, like, you know, I'm not just trying to get a handout.
You're not here riding like
exactly.
Riding, you know.
I want to show you that I'm not just here to hop on a train. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make my own train.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I think once he's seen that and he realized that, he's seen that drive, it kind of made him more enthused to be more involved with me as far as trading, because he's like, this nigga really want it. Like, he not just out here trying to get paid from it. Like, I see you passionate about it. So once he started to see that passion in me grow, and then as well as like the discipline and the other key factors grow as well, you know, I seen he was appreciative of that, and he respected that. So that also gave me the motivation to continue going. You know.
Can you talk to me about like your funding accounts? How much do you think you started off with your funding accounts, if you don't mind me asking?
Funded accounts, like prop firm funded accounts or live funded accounts?
Both. Yeah. Both.
So live accounts. My first live accounts, I started for $1,000. I remember my first time trading live. I blew it. I blew 1,000. Second time trading live,
1,000. Holy shit, bro.
No, that was not. That's the least of my work. $1,000 is not shit. $1,000.
You got me sweating.
Yeah. Try losing 20. Try losing 5, 10. You know what I'm saying? That's when your stomach start turning. But first account, lost 1,000. You know, wasn't too big of a deal. But second live account that I made, I put $1,200 in there. And I remember like it was yesterday, I lost my first trade. I had like $800 in there, my balance, right? It took me a week, and I got my balance to about $18,000 with $1,000. You know what I'm saying? And this is all off the muscle, all by myself. So, that was when I knew, like, okay, like it's here.
Yeah, I seen him do it. I seen him turn 1,000 to 20,000. That's what you're talking about.
And I know you were fucking flipping the fuck out. You were like, holy shit.
Fuck flipping. He was getting the money up out of there.
Yeah,
he was taking the money out. He was ready.
It was like, because like he said, man, like once you do it for so long, it's not so much like a celebration anymore. It's just another day trading. You know, today we made a trade, we made the money. Okay, cool. It's more like, it just allows you to do the things you want to do.
It just open your eyes like, damn, money is this tangible. Is this touchable? I promise you, like, once you touch that shit, you like, damn, nigga, this shit real. Like,
especially after you're doing it consistently, it's like,
right.
You could just print the money at that point, but you can't get too confident, too cocky. You still got to, have that edge. You still got to stay aware and, be logical and stuff like that. But yeah, once you start touching it, especially consistently, man, it starts to feel unreal, and it just.
Yeah, and opposed to like other teams, I feel like, one trade like that, they're like all like going out celebrating and stuff like that. The vibe that I'm getting for you guys, it's like, okay, cool shit, you made $20K, get back to work. Like,
exactly.
The job's not done.
Don't stop.
Money don't stop.
It never stops.
Exactly, bro. But
because you can't celebrate off one win.
No, you can't, because even you can't get mad over a lose. You can't celebrate every win, because you're gonna have to do it again tomorrow. Either way, we gotta wake up 4 a.m. every day and do this, and it's been like this for the past however long. 10 years for him, 3 years for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, ain't shit changed, but you still got to enjoy the future fruits of your labor, and you got to have fun. You know what I'm saying? You got to show people that you're having fun, as well as, have a good time for yourself, and have a good time with the hard-earned money that you made.
Right. Because I just made $20K. Why not go to the club or fucking just go have fun? You know what I'm saying? Because you did wake up at 4 a.m. You put in the work for it. You got to reward yourself here and there. Not too much, though. Not too much. You don't want to overdo it, because, you can get lost in the sauce. I've been there, too. You start making that money, you feel like it's like, okay, it's never going to stop. This is forever. Like, I'm going to just keep getting richer and richer and richer and richer. I'm never going to have any losses. But, in a perfect world, that's how it be. But it's not like that. So you still got to be strategic. You still got to calculate your finances. You still got to, save your money. You still got to do your role. You got to do your due diligence in order to stay successful. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So after like your first 2 to 3 payouts, like, were you like spending the money, like not, managing it properly? And then that's when you were like, okay, now when I get in trade, I'm going to do a deep calculated analysis on what I'm going to use the money for. This is set aside for me. This goes to the funding account. This goes to my business. Yeah. Because like I said before, once you start getting it, it starts getting unreal. You just keep making it, keep pulling it out. And you forget that this is also a career, is also a job. You also have to,
save your money. You also have to factor in your future investments. You have to factor in everything. But at first, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was, especially after so long of trying and failing, or trying and not getting to where I need to be. Once you finally get there, it's like, now I can finally let go and let loose and go splurge. But then you can't do that. You still got to stick with your game plan so that you can continue to grow. You put your guard down for a little too long. You look up and now you got to start over.
And that's where people lose themselves.
Exactly.
When they get the bigger payouts, they're fucking, getting lazy with it, pretty much. And then boom, they have that one huge loss, and then that's when it's like fucked forever.
Exactly. Like, fuck, I shouldn't. Now you're trying to rethink your shit.
Yeah.
You don't want to wait that long.
So now that you guys are a part of a group and stuff, are you guys pretty much trying to, get more people in to pretty much prove and like, yo, the same way we can do it, you can do it. You want to fucking learn, then get to it.
We're trying to get people all across the world in, but most people that come from the streets come from our backgrounds that don't see the light. They think they only out as fucking drugs or rapping or playing sports. We definitely want them to see that this shit is possible.
Just like you said, it's not too many people, it's not too many niggas that trade. So we're trying to show the world that y'all can do it too. This is not a blue collar job. This is not where like something where it's not obtainable for the average person.
Right.
Like if you put in the work, you can do it no matter who you are. Like we're trying to show the world that, so we can have everybody on our team. Everybody making money. People from the struggle that didn't have a way out, now they can. You know what I'm saying?
Make a way.
Fucking BML. Exactly, but the legal one.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's even better. It's bigger. It's gonna be bigger than ever. So
yeah, that and plus like a background like mine, I've also been taught like work harder, not smarter. But then at what point do you fucking stop working, bro? Like,
Exactly.
When did you actually stop working? You know what I'm saying? And that's the good thing. That's the dope thing about y'all is that you guys really opened your mind to this and willing to learn and shit because, any average person, honestly, nowadays is not going to be putting in the time because they're worried about their 9 to 5. They're worried about their fucking girlfriend, worried about the wrong fucking shit because at the end of the day, the world revolves around money. Okay. Yeah. Money is used for leverage and for power. I don't give a fuck if your bitch is fucking getting mad at you because you're fucking trading every fucking day. You don't have time for her. Like, what's gonna stay here longer, the money or the bitch?
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Good question.
So now the next thing I wanted to ask from you, when you started seeing these profits and you started, managing a lot more, did you see like a lot of people from your past like hitting you up and being like, hey, like put me on type shit, like yo, like what's good with it? Like how do you handle that? Because when you
they don't say put me on, bro. Let's be real. They ask you for some money.
They ask you for shit.
They say fuck the work. You got the money already. Let me get some of your money. That's what
that's sad.
And it sucks because hold on.
Yeah,
like you just said, a lot of people, they mind operate off, work harder, not smarter. Like that's the average person. That's the way the average person thinks. They think too logical. You always got to be logical. You know what I'm saying? But you got to have a dream. You got to dream. You got to be unrealistic sometimes. And by being unrealistic, that shit was what got us here because nobody believed in us but us. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody on a journey like this, you'll have so many people give up on you before you get to your to the end of the tunnel. You know what I'm saying?
They give up on you that you don't even want to have the conversation with them.
Yeah, and it's like you go through that for so long of people like trying to G-check you and tell you whatever you're doing is not right. You stop wanting to prove yourself. So once you do finally make it, and you got these people hitting you up like, oh, it's like, yeah, I told you. Like, so what you want me to do now? I'm not, you know what I'm saying?
Like,
and it's
even our own closest friends, like, nigga, that shit ain't real.
Friends and family, everybody, they'll doubt you.
There's still doubt.
Nah, not my family.
No.
Oh, okay.
Once they see that money, then they like, okay.
Nah, my family didn't doubt me from the jump. They supported me because they always supported me. Black families don't really doubt you. Well, single mothers don't. I would probably if I had a dad, but I grew up in we don't got nothing, so you know what I'm saying?
Right.
We only got no other choice but to go up. Cheers.
Yeah, right. And then like so a mother like yours that like even though she's
my mom.
Exactly. Yeah. Even though she doesn't fully understand what exactly your profession is, right? Mm-hmm. She's willing to do everything, to be like, hey, you gotta keep doing this. Or KJ, look, I know you're mad, but you need to get back on that shit. You can't just be sitting here moping around and shit. Yeah. And I'm gonna be honest. A lot of parents are not accepting of that.
Exactly.
If I tell my mom, I'm gonna be honest. If I tell my mom right now that I'm trading and I'm putting in $2,000, $3,000 in her fund account, she's gonna look at me retarded.
Exactly. Yeah, I think so. Let her know you would support me for the job. I can't say you wasn't because you was.
No, she's been there.
Yeah, I had to fix it because everything we post, she watched. She was like, "Fuck you mean we didn't support you? You lying." Let me tell the truth. Yeah.
No, she'd be the one telling you, "Oh no, you didn't do that."
Yeah, exactly.
No, you didn't do that. I was right with you. That's the best part though, but I feel like that's also sad because like you gave people a chance to really learn and be like, bro, if you believe in me, I promise you I'm gonna put this money for you as long as you're willing to put in the work.
Yeah.
But unfortunately it's not like that. It's when you get to the point where you're at now, where you're fucking bitches getting money, they're seeing your Instagram,
show them that motherfucking
Snapchats,
money you
everything.
made.
Yeah.
Show them that.
People want to see you succeed.
People
first.
need to see that money.
They don't want to take the risk.
Yeah.
They don't want to take the risk.
They want to see you show the money, but they don't want to earn it.
You're gonna see a big ass chain on his neck and 5 other niggas' neck within the next month. All of us getting GJ.
So just last week, I made $17K on this account. Just last week, and I really made around 25, but I took a loss on Friday.
That's $1 million account.
$1 million account.
$1 million account you have in your phone.
A funded
Yeah,
account.
$1 million.
Yes, sir.
And that goes back to Chart Killers. We got that funding from Chart Killers, my other company.
Got this account.
That goes back to Chart Killers.
Got this account. Got it passed instantly. Now we trading live.
Show them. Don't get the numbers in it, but show them that money.
Yeah, put that shit up to the camera.
Yeah, go up to the camera. Show them. Make sure you block out that bread though. I mean the account number.
Y'all see that right now?
$1 million account is fucking insane.
And now you understand how we get so rich.
I do.
And the more capital you have, the more money you can risk, the more money you can play with, the more money you're gonna make. So the goal is always to obtain as much capital as you can and to become the best trader you can, so you can combine those two and have big ass days, big ass wins. That's the goal every time. Our goal is to not have to trade a lot. And by having more capital, making bigger moves, making bigger bags, we don't have to trade all the time. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be on the charts every morning, but we don't have to risk our money every time because we might make 30K, 40K one day and we're good for the rest. So we don't have to stress. We don't have to, you know what I'm saying, stay on the chart. So the goal is always to have more capital, bigger wins. You know what I'm saying?
That's crazy what you said, because basically you're saying like, because nowadays YouTube traders are like doing this shit for 25 to 30 years and this is their main thing, their main business. Unlike you guys are saying, yeah, I mean, we're doing this and we're getting this money, but we're not only just trading, we're, getting capital. We're looking at businesses. We're funding other businesses, taking out LLCs, so we can have more capital, because it's not only just like, this money's not only just to stay in the account.
No.
And can you explain to me like other businesses that you have tried, that you're entering in right now with using the money that you have been making from them?
Honestly, anything outside of the trading niche, I haven't started yet, but I do have plans. I do have a couple things growing up.
We about to start buying land. We're gonna create a whole GJ Slayer warehouse and just keep buying land and add properties on it and start our real estate journey. That's the next. Fuck the cars, fuck the chain.
We got a lot planned for the warehouse
fuck the
too,
bitches.
so y'all stay tuned.
It's crazy that you guys say fuck the cars, fuck the bitches, fuck the chains, because a person like me works so hard in life to try to get that, and you're telling me that. Fuck all that.
Once you get it, you realize it don't mean shit. It was about the journey getting there. It was about the things it's about the freedom.
It's acquired now. It's like a step.
Because that's what average people work for, is to get what you have on you. And you're telling me this shit is nothing. Like land.
I'm not going to say that, because now I'm shitting on y'all, and I don't want y'all to think that. It is something. It's a reward, though. We want assets. This is a liability at the end of the day. This just... I don't have the $80,000 no more. I got it, but not the...
You just made a valid point. It's not an asset.
It's not an asset.
It decreases. The value decreases over time.
It's a reward.
It's a reward.
Exactly. So let me rephrase it. Yeah, so it's a reward.
I feel like, too, he wasn't just focused on... It wasn't about the money. Coming up, it wasn't just about the money. It was about the family. It was about succeeding in something that we've been doing. So... yeah, this shit is cool and all, but it was never just about the change. It was never just about the cause.
Like, I hate these people fucking doubting me. I need to prove them.
I want to win. I want to succeed.
I want to win in trading.
You know what I'm saying? Exactly. That's all it's ever been, and there's not too many people that really think like that, and that's why they don't win. That's why they don't stay in the game, because that's not their main goal. They want to get rich. You know what I'm saying? That's how they fuck themselves up. You got to really want it for yourself. You know what I'm saying?
And you think like now when people come up to you and they're like trying to ask for advice and stuff, you guys could pretty much tell off the rip like, oh, this motherfucker don't give a shit about.
You can tell if they want it or not.
Yeah, and then that's when
trying to get rich.
Like, yo, get the fuck out of my face. You don't really want it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's like.
So you guys now have a team of 5 now.
We got a team of 300.
Yeah.
We got a team of.
We got an army.
Matter of fact, we got an army
A mob.
of 5,000.
Goddamn
right
motherfucking
Exactly.
army.
We got an army of 5,000 people.
And the goal is to make each and every one of those people self-sustainable and successful day traders.
Exactly.
And we will get them there. So that's a part of the journey.
Facts. We talked about everything, and I appreciate you guys really giving me an inside look of your guys' lifestyle, everything that you guys do. These are a lot of things that people want to see. They want to see, you guys, flexing on the camera stuff, but they want to hear your guys' story, and they want to hear all these things that you're telling me, because a lot of people nowadays, unfortunately, traders specifically, aren't giving me the sauce that you guys are giving me.
Mm-hmm.
And they aren't transparent.
And they don't act like us. They fucking weird ass, geek ass little boys.
We normal niggas.
We normal niggas from the hood that found a way that they wasn't showing to us. You know how many times I done looked at everybody on the internet like, damn, if they gave me an opportunity, my life would change. That shit never came.
And I think that's why a lot of people fuck with you, because it's so relatable. Like, this is the first non-geek white boy that didn't get funding from his fucking dad for his accounts. Like, these are people that got it out the mud.
Exactly. All out the mud, bro.
I swear.
We was homeless before all this, you know what I'm saying?
And people don't know that you guys were homeless.
You know what I'm saying? We didn't have shit.
Homeless.
You see how he act all calm and cordial and shit? He a nigga.
I mean, when you guys, being homeless would humble anybody.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm damn near also been homeless too. And that shit, when you deadass get to that point, you get grateful for the littlest things.
Yeah.
This shit gonna go viral.
Like, all we really had was a dream. I know that sound corny, but nigga, that's all we had
But
right now.
people don't even have dreams or aspirations nowadays.
That's the problem. Yeah, that's the problem though.
40.
Then they get stuck in that logic part, start working. You know what I'm saying? Day to day. You guys might be working, but you have a dream. This is your dream. Y'all succeed. You know what I'm saying? Y'all is growing. Since he first met you, y'all have elevated ever since. And you gotta, you know what I'm saying? It's not just.
You don't even look the same. I wouldn't recognize you if I seen you in public.
Because I got fatter. That's
why.
Let's be real. I was
skinny
too. Yeah, I got the beard, bro. Because niggas were saying like, bro, you look like a little boy. So I was like, bro, I'm gonna get it. And then a couple pictures of like, yo, are you like 16, 17? That
would have.
Stop fucking playing.
That would have killed.
You know what I'm saying? We talked about a lot of things, and I appreciate you guys, talking to me about these things. We talked about everything, market, trading, everything, all your guys' strategies. But I think it's time to show the people what is the rewards of this hard work. Yeah, ain't that right?
So let's do it.
So let's get fucking to it, guys. Day in the life starts right now. We're gonna get into these guys' lives, see what is going on every day, and just have some fucking fun, because that's what we came to do. That's the reward of working hard, right? That's the reward. Let's fucking get it.